Start by cleaning bulkhead corner with alcohol pad. With bulb side up, align and adhere seal to bed cap. Then trim excess and firmly press seal. Repeat for opposite side. Clean vertical surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. Now trim 1/8 inch off wiper side of bulb and wiper seal that will contact bulkhead seal. Align and adhere seal with top of bed cap, ensuring bulb side is up and contact seal on bulkhead. Continue adhering seal to vertical surface. Slightly raise seal at bed cap feature so adhesive is at top of bed cap. Trim excess seal and firmly press seal. Repeat on opposite side. Align square holes in bracket with holes in side rail. Secure with 1/4 by 3/4 inch carriage bolts and serrated flange nuts, then finger tighten. Note locations of holes in side rails, then remove bolts in truck bed at corresponding locations. Now insert hex bolt with lock washer and flat washer through long leg side of rail bracket and spacer, then finger tighten bolt. Ensure side rail is level, starting at front. Secure brackets by tightening hex bolt first, then tighten serrated flange nuts. Torque all bolts to 10 foot-pounds. Repeat process to install side rail on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.